Limits of life growth. New principle offers clues. Scientists have unveiled a new principle that could redefine our understanding of how life grows and adapts. According to research highlighted by PFS.org, the study examines the fundamental constraints that govern biological growth, revealing that living organisms may be bound by universal limits. The principle suggests that every living system, from single-celled microbes to complex multicellular organisms, operates under growth rules that balance energy usage, structural constraints, and environmental interactions. By modeling these limitations, researchers can predict when and how growth plateaus, potentially explaining why certain species evolve in specific ways while others face natural caps on size or speed. One of the most remarkable implications of this work is its relevance to astrobiology. By understanding the principles that limit life on Earth, scientists can better estimate the conditions under which extraterrestrial life might thrive or fail to emerge. It also offers insight into human health, agriculture, and ecosystem management, as growth limitations often determine survival under resource constraints. The study provides a powerful framework for exploring the delicate balance between biological potential and environmental reality, opening new paths in evolutionary biology and sustainability research. Weird ancient fossil snake species discovered. A team of paleontologists has uncovered a previously unknown species of ancient snake, shedding new light on the evolution of these reptiles. The fossil, unearthed from sedimentary rock layers dating back millions of years, reveals an unusual combination of features that set it apart from both modern and extinct snakes. The newly identified species displays a mix of primitive and advanced traits. Researchers noted that while its vertebrae resemble those of early snake ancestors, its skull structure shows adaptations closer to present-day species. This unique blend suggests a transitional form, bridging an evolutionary gap in the snake lineage. This fossil is unlike anything we've seen before, said the study's lead author. It helps us understand how snakes gradually acquired the anatomical features we recognize today. The discovery could also provide insights into the ecological roles of early snakes. Analysis of the surrounding sediments indicates that the creature lived in a semi-aquatic environment, possibly hunting small vertebrates and invertebrates along riverbanks or in shallow waters. The findings not only enrich our understanding of reptilian evolution but also highlight the importance of continued fossil exploration. Each new species discovered contributes a missing piece to the complex puzzle of life's history on Earth. New cutting-edge technology allows precise dating of fossilized dinosaur eggshells. A team of researchers has unveiled an innovative technique that significantly improves the precision of dating fossilized dinosaur eggshells, offering new insights into the prehistoric world. This breakthrough promises to reshape our understanding of dinosaur evolution, reproduction, and extinction timelines. The method relies on advanced isotopic analysis, which examines the chemical composition of the eggshells to determine their exact age. Traditionally, dating fossils has been challenging due to the degradation of organic material and the complex geological processes that can affect surrounding rock layers. By focusing directly on the eggshells, scientists can now bypass some of these complications. According to the research team, this new approach allows scientists to pinpoint the age of eggshells with unprecedented accuracy, sometimes within just a few thousand years. This capability could help paleontologists answer long-standing questions about which dinosaur species existed at specific periods and how environmental changes influenced their life cycles. Beyond refining timelines, this technology also opens the door to studying dinosaur nesting habits and migration patterns. Fossilized eggshells, once considered difficult to analyze, are now proving to be vital clues in reconstructing the daily lives of these ancient creatures. The development of this method marks a major step forward in paleontology, and experts predict it will lead to numerous discoveries about the intricate history of the age of dinosaurs. Lake Erie's toxic mystery, scientists identify the culprit. 4 years, Lake Erie has faced recurring toxic algae blooms, threatening local ecosystems, drinking water sources, and the region's fishing industry. Now, scientists have finally pinpointed the primary culprit behind this environmental hazard. A team of researchers has identified Planktothrix, a type of cyanobacteria, as a key producer of the dangerous toxins known as microcystins. These harmful compounds can cause liver damage in humans and pose serious risks to aquatic life. While other algae species were once suspected, advanced genetic and chemical analysis confirmed that Planktothrix is largely responsible for the lake's toxic episodes. The discovery marks a turning point in efforts to combat the problem. With a clear target, environmental agencies can focus on tracking Planktothrix populations and managing nutrient pollution, particularly phosphorus runoff from agriculture, which fuels harmful blooms. Researchers emphasize that solving the issue requires coordinated action. Reducing nutrient inputs, improving water monitoring, and developing early warning systems are all crucial steps to protect communities and ecosystems that depend on Lake Erie. This breakthrough not only sheds light on the source of the toxins but also offers hope that science-driven strategies can restore the health of one of North America's most important freshwater resources. This common nutrient supercharges your cell's energy. Researchers have identified a widely available nutrient that significantly boosts the energy production of human cells. This finding highlights its potential benefits for overall health and disease prevention. Boosting cellular power. Cells generate energy through mitochondria, the powerhouses of the body. The nutrient in question enhances mitochondrial efficiency, helping cells convert nutrients into usable energy more effectively. By improving this process, the nutrient may support better physical performance, mental sharpness, and overall vitality. Health and longevity implications. Scientists believe that improving cellular energy production can have far-reaching effects. Enhanced mitochondrial function is linked to reduced fatigue, improved metabolism, and even a lower risk of age-related diseases. Although the nutrient is already part of many people's diets, ensuring adequate intake could amplify these benefits. Practical applications. Further studies are underway to determine optimal dosages and long-term effects. Meanwhile, incorporating nutrient-rich foods or supplements under professional guidance may help individuals enhance their energy levels naturally. This discovery sheds light on how a simple dietary factor can play a powerful role in maintaining cellular health and promoting an energetic lifestyle. Neanderthal DNA found to influence human facial structure. A new study has revealed that fragments of Neanderthal DNA in modern humans play a role in shaping the human face. Researchers analyzed genetic data and 3D facial images from thousands of volunteers and discovered specific genetic variants inherited from Neanderthals that impact facial features. The study, led by an international team of geneticists and anthropologists, focused on people of European ancestry. By comparing their genomes with fossil DNA from Neanderthals, scientists identified several regions linked to facial traits such as nose size, lip shape, and jaw width. One notable finding is that a Neanderthal-derived genetic variant is associated with a taller nose bridge. According to the scientists, these insights highlight the lasting influence of interbreeding between Neanderthals and early modern humans. Approximately 1 to 2% of the DNA in non-African populations today comes from Neanderthals, and this ancient heritage still affects how we look. The research not only deepens our understanding of human evolution but also illustrates the subtle ways in which extinct relatives have shaped our present-day diversity. Shared genetic roots of autism and ADHD uncovered. A new study sheds light on the genetic connections between autism spectrum disorder, ASD, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, providing important insights into their overlapping biological foundations. Researchers analyzed large-scale genomic data and discovered that the two conditions share several genetic risk factors, suggesting a more intertwined relationship than previously understood. The study focused on genome-wide association analyses, examining variations in DNA sequences from thousands of individuals. Results revealed that certain genetic variants contribute to increased susceptibility for both ASD and ADHD, supporting the idea that these neurodevelopmentally conditions are not entirely separate but exist on a spectrum of shared influences. Lead researchers highlighted that identifying these shared genetic roots could improve diagnostic accuracy and foster more targeted interventions. Understanding the biological links between autism and ADHD may also help explain why many individuals are diagnosed with both conditions and why their symptoms sometimes overlap, such as difficulties with attention, social communication, and impulse control. By mapping the complex genetic architecture of these disorders, scientists hope to pave the way for future therapies that address the underlying mechanisms rather than only managing symptoms. The findings mark a step forward in precision medicine for neurodevelopmentally conditions.